Greetings, good afternoon, good morning. This is Yeomens. In my last video, I spoke about two cryptocurrency exchanges that you could get Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and one of them is Coinbase. And I just wanted to give you a quick step through of how to get it done. It's pretty simple. If you go to the page using the link that I have in the description, you click on it and you can sign up. I think they have a promotion going on right now. And what you do is you put in your preferred first and last name, your sign-in information, and then also you do your location, and then you're good to go. This is for persons in the US, and then you sign up that way, and then I'll just do a walkthrough. So you see here, this is like the tab that shows your where the cryptocurrencies are. It also shows your portfolio and also how you can buy it. So these are the different tabs, and then I'll step through them, explain. So Coinbase have a list of different cryptocurrencies that you can buy, and here they are. So if you wanted to buy, all you have to do is just if you're doing this on your phone, it's pretty straightforward. You can actually download the app, Coinbase app, or if you're doing this on a computer, it is also pretty straightforward. All you have to do is just click a few buttons here and there. You see the cryptocurrency that you're interested in, and you can buy it that way. And then Coinbase will actually store it in your wallet. So you're going to have like a portfolio in Coinbase that you can use. So that's in a nutshell. That's pretty much how you can buy cryptocurrency. If you want to use an exchange, which is also a totally different level, Coinbase has Coinbase Pro. But as I always say, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just here to provide you information or some like digital currency tutorials or knowledge so that you're able to apply it for yourself. But always you have to look into it a little bit more further before you can engage in that regard. Cryptocurrency is really like it solves the real world problems. Like the shirt I'm wearing right now, this cryptocurrency is numeraire, and it's a hedge fund. So it's solving a real world problem where it's taking stock data and using numeraire employs or uses data scientists like myself to run their hedge fund. So there are over 6,000 AIs that are modeled and submitted weekly to trade for the hedge fund. So numeraire solves a real world problem. Bitcoin solves a real world problem, which is got to do with transfer of transactions from point A to point B using distributed ledger. Ethereum solves real world problems through smart contracts. So whatever cryptocurrency that you're getting into, make sure that they solve real world problems, and then it'll be effective. NFT solves real world problems. I did my first NFT a couple of weeks ago. I'm gonna actually do a tutorial about that too. It's pretty straightforward. It's pretty interesting, the problem that NFTs are solving. So cryptocurrency solves real world problems. You're looking at pain points and helping people produce value or produce wealth in that regard. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to get Coinbase, how easy it is to sign up for Coinbase. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in a comment section. Also, if you're new to this channel, my name is Yeomens the Microwave Chef. Subscribe, like, and share the video so that together we'll learn about AI, data science, cryptocurrency, engineering, construction, whatever information that I find that I see that is valuable to anybody, I will put it out there. So stay tuned to the next episode and be blessed.